Alright, in today's class, we're going to be learning how to solve this particular question without using calculators. How we're going to solve a question like this. So we're going to write 91 squared, and then we're going to say minus 1. Why? Because anything raised to power 0, a raised to power 0 is equal to 1, as long as a is not equal to 0 itself. Okay, as long as a is not equal to 0, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we're going to say 91 minus 1, because 91 raised to power 0 is 1, all over 90, right? And then these can become 91 squared minus 1 squared. Okay, 1 squared is 1, so don't really have any issue there. 1 squared is 1, so 91 squared minus 1 squared all over 90. What do we notice in the numerator there? We notice a difference of 2 squares, and we know the law around a difference of 2 squares. Yes, it's simply saying 91 minus 1 into 91 plus 1 all over 90. I think it's looking clearer. Yes, so 91 minus 1 is 90 into 90 multiplied by 92 all over 90. So our final answer is 92. Without using a calculator, we're able to find out that 91 squared minus 91 raised to power 0 all over 90 is simply 92. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.